Welcome to a new video from the Dutch Online Academy. In this video, we are going to look at how to ask questions in Dutch. There are a few different ways to ask a question in Dutch, and in this video, we are going to look at 3 of them. If you are serious about learning Dutch, then check out the DutchOnlineAcademy.com. Here you will find grammar explanations and exercises in both Dutch and English. They are suitable for all levels. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive more videos and study material. Now let's get started with this lesson. How to ask questions in Dutch. And we are going to start with method 1. Put the verb in the first place in the sentence. Let's start with an example. How would you say, he drinks coffee in Dutch? He drinks coffee. Hij drinkt koffie. Hij drinkt koffie. Now this is a regular sentence, this is not a question, this is a statement. And we have our regular word order here. The subject, the verb, and the rest. Now let's make a question. How would you say, does he drink coffee? Does he drink coffee? All you have to do is put the verb in the first place in the sentence. Drinkt hij koffie? Drinkt hij koffie? And here we see our original sentence, hij drinkt koffie. As you can see, we just swap the place of the subject and the verb. Let's move on to method 2. Using an interrogative pronoun. How would you say, who are you? Who are you? Wie ben jij? Wie ben jij? And we have a question word here, an interrogative pronoun. It's the word wie. And it's followed by the verb. And then the rest follows. Wie ben jij? Now, how would you say, what do you do? What do you do? Wat doe je? Wat doe je? Again, an interrogative pronoun, wat, followed by the verb. Wat doe je? All the examples of interrogative pronouns are wie, wat, waar, wanneer, welk of welke, and who. Let's move on to method 3. Add toch to a sentence. Now, this way of forming a question sounds really natural, and it's really easy. You just make a statement. For example, you are a doctor, and you add toch, which would translate as right. You are a doctor, right? How would you say this in Dutch? Jij bent een dokter, toch? Jij bent een dokter, toch? Let's do another one. How would you say, her name is Anna, right? Haar naam is Anna, toch? As you can see, this way of forming a question is really easy, because you can keep your regular word order and just add toch. But be aware that you can't use toch as an answer to a question. If someone asks you, you are a doctor, right? jij bent een dokter, toch? And you are indeed a doctor. In English, you could say right. But in Dutch, you cannot use toch as your answer. You will have to say something like, ja, dat klopt. Or, ja, inderdaad. This has been another lesson from the Dutch Online Academy. Visit our website, thedutchonlineacademy.com, if you want more information about Dutch learning. On our website, you will find grammar explanations and exercises in both Dutch and English. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if it was helpful. See you next time!